Children of God, in his book, Introduction to Christianity, Joseph Ratzinger, who later became Pope Benedict XVI, famously uses Soren Kierkegaard's parable of the clown to illustrate the church's misunderstood role in a modern world. As a burning circus causes a clown to rush to a nearby village for help, the villagers mistake his intentions only for comedic effect. The clown kept shouting that everything was already burning, but people laughed because he wore a costume. His voice sounded urgent, yet his appearance made him unbelievable. The fire was real, but the messenger had become a joke. He had entertained so much that no one trusted him anymore. Pope Benedict XVI asserts that the church, like the clown, delivers a serious life-saving message that the world often perceives as foolishness or entertainment. Just as the villagers ignored the clown's warning, modern society risks destruction by ignoring the gospel message of salvation.